Hey homegirls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tootie and I'm back with another video. Today's video, me and KALIYAH has planned to do like a friend date thing where we're going on a picnic, right? So she just picked me up from my house. It is now, we're supposed to do this at 5 o'clock. It's 6:30, baby. But that's kind of good though, because y'all know Texas is hot, right? At 5 o'clock, maybe that sun was beaming, but right now it's like, it's still hot. Don't get me wrong, it's still hot, but we're not gonna, by the time we get there, it's gonna be like getting cooler, a little bit more breeze, which is better because it's too hot. Neither one of us have ate yet, so we're gonna go to Chipotle to go get something to eat first, and then on a picnic, like just eat snacks while we eat our food. And as far as activities, I think we're gonna paint, like y'all gonna see all this, so there ain't even no need for me explaining to y'all. So yeah. Oh, so good in the sun. Pick up a little. Hey y'all. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ooh, oh no, we gonna be on the side of the road. Okay. We gonna be in the grass. Nah, baby. She ain't almost hit the curb. One thing I hate about KALIYAH, when she drive, she waits till the last minute to brake on the next car, and we gonna be to hit somebody. Nah, not really. Yes, really. But what we about to do, KALIYAH? Have a picnic date. Well, I already talked about it. But we need to go get some ice too, right? Honestly, we just need a cup of ice. Well, like that. And we're gonna get some ice. Get some ice inside.
Wherever we go to get food, Chipotle. We're going to Chipotle, right?
Chipotle, yes.
Maybe
It's Chipotle.
Chipotle.
Yeah, Chipotle.
I say Chipotle.
I mean, that's what it is, but I just say Chipotle.
Like we do Shein.
Chipotle.
Shein.
Hey y'all. So as y'all can see, we are at Wingstop. KALIYAH got us waiting on some wings. While it's 6:54, 6:55. At this point, are we even still going on a picnic? Of course it is. Even if it's nighttime, like, even better. I really want to go to a drive-thru movie. But we gonna see. I'll order me some boneless wings. What you order, KALIYAH? Lemon pepper and garlic. She ordered lemon pepper and garlic. Regular wings, traditional wings. Y'all know me, I'm not doing that. If it ain't boneless, I don't want it. You know how long it's been since I had a phone? You want to connect your phone to the speaker? Oh, babe, I got my own. You know boneless wings hit better. No. She know boneless wings hit better. Oh! That's what I get for talking shit. Look at my pretty sister. She's so pretty. I want a picture. Where my phone at? Right here. Behind the side of you. We finna listen to some Egg Bad. Now, which one listen to first?
I don't know, something calm.
Something calm.
We've been listening to YoungBoy every day, all day.
Don't hate on my husband, boo, cause yeah.
Baby, you can have him. He needs to learn his rappers first.
What you mean?
Talking about, y'all mad about JT. Baby, Lil Uzi.
Wait. That is the wrong person. I didn't even realize that.
Listening to it.
I didn't realize that was the wrong person. Oh my god, he is dead ass fucking wrong for that.
Lil Yachty mad about JT.
It is.
Like, what Lil Yachty do to you?
Maybe. I didn't never catch on to that. That is crazy. I didn't never catch on to that.
Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck. I just want fuck, eat, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and I'll call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you lead me to the yard with the password? I need you, man.
Get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show off. I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit. Stand out the
Yeah, look at my colors.
Make you lose yourself and find us keepers. She go green light, go and when I'm done, she hold me like a conversation. We debate. You can't stop it.
This one I bet you will me, I no get time, Dada cover my face, calling me Biggie man, we do be where what's it going? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, I they try to do I'm way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want chop life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all Bentley.
Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, it's nighttime and this our painting. It's real pretty. It's so cute. And we took turns with the colors. Clear. You don't see it talking? This is the road.
I was singing.
But yeah. This is what it look like. We finna go because these mosquitoes are nice. The mosquitoes are mosquitoing. I ain't heard though. I think that whoever this is calling back. Oh, it's so dark out here. Hello? See y'all when I'm doing something else. Have y'all got She Michael Jackson bad, and I'm attracted to her in her attractive bag. Girl, you got my trunk open. So anyways, look at our picture, y'all.
And she still shine.
Y'all see?
But I love
It's cute. We are at main event, and we about to play some games. We're gonna have fun. I can make your bed rock.
I'm blessed, yes, top of the heavyweight champ, me, but I couldn't do it.
Okay, y'all. You missed? Oh, don't let me be the first one. Alright, y'all, my boat now.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back out, bullshit. Spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a full clip. And my shooters, they shooting. I won't take it, they quick Chris. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VV, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his plata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm hitting his plata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still trap house off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back out, bullshit. Spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a full clip, and my shooters they shooting.
Damn, now I gotta catch up. That's it.
Whoa, whoa. Yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. Rainbow, that's cause the neck is a frame. been in the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 60 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, you go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy, hold up, hold up. Fill up that room, let me money to sit on the end of the door. Chasing emojis to the guy,
Well, we tied. It's tied. It's cool. That just means that in anything, we both gonna win, right? In anything, we both gonna win. Y'all, we got a whole time. Oh, damn. The score went away. Yeah. The score went away. We're on round 2, but I'm done recording because I need to focus. I ain't trying to lose or be in a tie, so.